Lighting has changed the way we experience life indoors. From the home to work environments and everywhere in between, lighting affects our daily routine. How we interact with lighting has actually changed in the last couple of decades. Lighting control is the idea of replacing the traditional light switch on the wall with a smart keypad capable of controlling multiple light loads at the same time. This allows you to reduce wall clutter by simplifying your control to a single keypad. You can even choose different styles and colors of keypads to match the aesthetic for your space. Smart lighting allows for dynamic scene control as well as scheduled lighting events. Ultimately, a lighting control system gives you immense flexibility, ease of use, and dynamic control for one of the most important elements of your home. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.